Welcome to Wild Charge and Elekid. I definitely remember Elekid from the original games Pokemon Gold, Silver, Crystal. Awesome times. Great memories. I have so many memories from then. You should let me know in the comments your memories and how it was like back then when you were playing Pokemon Gold or Silver. Anyway, going back to the facts about this Pokemon. When a storm approaches, this Pokemon gets restless. Once Elekid hears the sound of thunder, it gets full-on rowdy. And according to the handbook, when Elekid spins its arms to create electricity, it cannot store the electricity it creates, so that's a little awkward. What's cool about Elekid as well is it's the baby Pokemon of Electabuzz, if you remember from the first 151. And then, of course, in the Sinnoh region, it also has the option to evolve up to Electivire. So, I mean, that was another Pokemon that we could have a whole conversation about. Nonetheless, follow for more daily Pokemon content. Thanks for watching.